Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a job post on Upwork. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've posted a job post and you no longer need candidates for that job. How do you actually go ahead and delete or close a job post? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But here we are. Once you log into Upwork, we have all my open job posts. We're going to go ahead and let's go ahead and close this job post right here, okay? Long-term dedicated video editor. What you'll actually do is that you're going to find the job post you want to close, click on these three dots, and then click on remove posting. So once you do that, you just need to select the reason for closing this job post. So you can say that all positions have been filled and then yes, close job. So now your job posting has been successfully closed. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete or close a job post on Upwork. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.